In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore public servers on Discord. If you've ever wondered how to find new communities, official hubs, or interest-based groups on Discord, the Discover feature is your starting point. It's built right into the app and gives you a curated window into thousands of public and verified servers, so you can see what's out there without digging through random links. Start by looking at the left bar of your Discord window. You'll see a small compass icon. Click that to open the Discover section. Think of Discover as a directory that's organized and easy to skim. It highlights popular communities, showcases trending topics, and offers a clean layout so you can get a feel for what a server is about before you decide whether it's worth a closer look. This is especially helpful if you're new to Discord or just exploring new interests. Once Discover is open, select the Servers option. This is where you can browse through public and verified servers. Public servers are open communities you can view and learn about right away. Verified servers are marked to show that they're officially associated with a brand, game, creator, or organization. That verification badge helps you quickly identify trusted spaces, which is great if you're looking for the official community rather than a fan-made group. As you browse, take your time to read the server tiles. You'll usually see the server name, a brief description, and an idea of how many members are part of it, along with how many are currently active. These quick details give you a snapshot of the server's vibe and scale. If you're comparing a few, think about what kind of experience you prefer: smaller, cozier spaces, or bigger, fast-moving communities. You'll often notice categories, themes, or tags featured throughout Discover. These help you understand what kinds of topics are highlighted and can guide your exploration within the same screen. You might also see community rules and content focus summarized in the preview text. That's helpful for gauging whether a server aligns with your interests and comfort level. Verified communities typically provide clear descriptions and consistent moderation, which can be reassuring if you're new to Discord's social side. And that's all. By clicking the compass icon to open Discover, then selecting servers, you can comfortably browse public and verified communities right from within Discord. Explore at your own pace, notice the details that matter to you, and enjoy finding spaces that match your interests.